Hey guys, and we have I think it's a blizzard. It's a lot of snow pouring since yesterday. And look, I want you to show something and how thick it is over there, right there. I made this roller, so I'm going to measure how thick the snow. This is 1 foot, and oh, it's 11 inches. This is my friend. Oh, how are you, man?
Very good, man.
Look at that.
Over there.
White.
Look, to the guy over there.
And here you go. You see all this. They're all white. So that's it. Kind of traffic right here. There. Because this one leads to, there's a school over there. And look at all these cars covered with snow. I know there's somebody there. You know, they're fighting right there. Oh, snow. Look at that, how thick it is. This is lead to where I live. Let's go around. Let's go around the house. Just roam around a little bit. Oh my god. Look around. Look. So snowy. So snowy over there. Ooh. Thanks. It's not good roaming around while traveling at this time, especially if you have only two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive is good, especially SUV, because you could get away from this mess. But if you have a light vehicle, make sure you have a nice way, clear one. And it's hard for them to go out, especially if the snow become wet and hard. It's difficult to get out. Anyway, this is how it looks like around my neighborhood. Alright, white Christmas. Alright, bye. Happy New Year, everyone.